In this video, I'm going to show you how to slide on into Google's People Also Ask section. Welcome to LowFruits. We analyze the search engine results for you to find the low competition keywords that you can rank for today. Let's get started. That's right. In this video, we're going to talk about how to slide on into Google's People Also Ask section. You might be thinking, I want to get into the People Also Ask section. That sounds great. Maybe you're thinking, hold on, what is this People Also Ask section that you speak of? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to show you right now. So let's do a quick Google search for how do I rank in Google? Tell me, Google, how to rank in yourself. We got this AI response here. We got a link from backlinko.com. And then here we have, lo and behold, the People Also Ask section. There's our original question. How do I rank on Google? A variant of it. How do I rank in Google? How do I rank on Google? How do I appear on top of Google search? A little accordion here. If you open up one of these, this one's from Backlinko. It even has the steps in here. And then there's a link to the backlinko.com article. The reason you want to get into this section, why you want to slide on into People Also Ask, is because of this link right here. These links get a really high click-through rate and can drive lots of free traffic to your site. So what can we do to get into that People Also Ask section? Well, there's all kinds of on-page things you can do, like using question and answer format in your content. Like in this little sample page here, how many feet in a yard? 3 feet. We're asking questions, we're answering them. We're actually using an FAQ block here from All-in-One SEO. You just write your FAQs and the FAQ block automatically generates schema code in the background to help you even further to get into that People Also Ask section. But that's not what this video is about. We're going to go to the step before that. And you can do some keyword research and figure out what kinds of questions to ask, and more importantly, how easy or difficult they are to rank for. So let's hop on over to LowFruits at lowfruits.io. LowFruits has a proprietary algorithm that is really good at helping you find low competition keywords. So I'm on lowfruits.io right now. Let's scroll up and click on your dashboard. And then we're going to click on this link on the left-hand menu here that says KWFinder for Keyword Finder. All right, now from the Keyword Finder page, we're going to look for that key phrase that we looked for before. It was actually, how do I get in Google? I'm not even going to put the how because I want to show you guys a cool little trick you can do here in LowFruits. Let's just search for get in Google. And then you got to give it about a minute to look for all the related keywords. I'm going to speed up this part of the video, but it only takes like 60 seconds. And it found 2,270 keywords, which is crazy. And we have two options here. We can access all keyword ideas. It's telling me that's free, or we can access all the keyword ideas and analyze all of the high intent keywords in one go. But that's going to use some of our credits. LowFruits works on a credit-based system. You don't have a LowFruits account, you can sign up for a trial period for free where we give you some credits to play with. So no worries. You can basically try before you buy, try it out, make sure it's going to add value to your business or organization. We're confident it will. That's why we give you those free credits to try it out with. So I don't need to look at all the high intent keywords right now. So I'm just going to click the first option, access these keyword ideas for free. So now we've got our ginormous list here of 2,270 keywords. And I'm going to show you a really awesome feature of LowFruits, this filter, pre-analysis filter. And I can search for specific words. So I've already got that section open here. Include. I am going to include the magic words, who, what, where, why, when, how, do, the question words. I include a comma between each word, so it's treated as a separate word and not one giant phrase. And then we are going to search for any word, not all words, because we don't want all of those. We want any word. And I'm going to apply that. You can see that now we're down to 965 keywords. Lo and behold, all of these key phrases, how to get Google t-shirt, what is Google bug, how to get QR code for Google business, how to make money with Google Chrome. Some of these are related to how to get into Google. Some of them are not, but they're all valid questions that could pop up and People Also Ask. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the amount of keywords per page to 50. And then I'm going to select all the keywords just on this page. So I've selected 50, not 965. And then I'm going to click the magic SERP extract button. This will use some of our credits. That's the reason I did 50 this time, because it's just a demo video. I'm going to use 50 of my credits to analyze these keywords. And this does not take that long to analyze the keywords. In fact, it's just about done right now. Yep, it's done. I didn't even speed up the video that time. It's how long it takes. So I want to draw your attention to two columns here. The SD column, SERP difficulty score. In other keyword analysis tools, they would call that something like keyword difficulty. It's a scale of 1 to 3. So 1 is the easiest, 2 is more difficult, and 3 is the most difficult. And then the most important column here is the weak spots column. So this is showing you simple fruit icons. The more fruit there is, the more weak spots there are in the search results. And the weak spot is where we found another page that's ranking for that keyword that is not a very strong page. If I hover over this fruit icon here, it's telling me that position 9 is taken by a website that only has a domain authority of 17. And position 6 is taken by a website that only has a domain authority of 12. It even tells you exactly what website it is, blog.supatool.io. The other one is rapidoform.com. If you had content around how to check if Google form was submitted, you got a pretty good opportunity here of sliding into position number 6, domain authority of 12. That's just on the regular search results. If you're writing related content to this, this tells you that for this particular question, if this shows up and people also ask, you got a way to sneak on in there. So you're not done at this point. And if you were actually trying to get into that key phrase, how to get into Google, you'd probably want to analyze a lot more than 50 keywords. Maybe put in those how, what, why, where, when question word filters first, and then maybe analyze that whole batch of 965. But there's way more to it than just this one page of 50 results. And then once you find something that you think is something related to content you already have, or something that you can write new content for, go ahead and create that content, put some FAQs on that page, and you've dramatically increased your chances of sliding into that result for people also ask. So that's how to slide on into Google's People Also Ask section. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to start using LowFruits to find hidden opportunities in the search results, go ahead and click on the very first link in the description below this video to get started right now.